Trump pled the fifth today. What does that mean? You may have seen earlier today that Donald Trump was being deposed by New York Attorney General Letitia James regarding a civil investigation in the state of New York. During that time, in response to numerous questions, over hundreds of questions, former President Trump pled the fifth. Now, when you plead the fifth, what you're referring to is the Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution. And in that amendment, it provides an individual the right not to incriminate him or herself in a criminal matter. Now, that right has now evolved and it's taking place more in civil cases, where in a civil case, you'll hear the term, they will plead the fifth because they think that will give them the right or the protection to not give incriminating evidence against themselves that could be used against them at a later time. Now, in a criminal matter, a jury or a fact finder cannot use the fact you plead the fifth as evidence that you are guilty of what you're being accused of. However, in a civil context, the jury or fact finder can view the fact that you pled the Fifth Amendment, not that you're admitting you did something wrong, but can look upon that as a factor to, in fact, believe that you may have been guilty of what you're being accused. It's important to see how this plays out here as pleading the fifth. As you hear that a lot of time, I want to make sure that everybody's aware that when you're actually pleading the fifth, it's really designed for a criminal matter, but when it's set up in a civil case, it also can show that you are protecting yourself from any criminal cases and any future criminal prosecution. If you have any questions, feel free to look us up, give us a call here at Eric Blank Injury Attorneys. Thank you.